Hello amazing people, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Zaini's kitchen. Today's recipe is a steamed roast chicken. This chicken, guys, is not oil, it's a steamed. It's very crispy from outside and very soft from inside. The ingredient, we can get it from anywhere, so it's not a problem. So let's not waste time and get into the video. This is a full chicken. I wash it and I cut the way I'm showing. Now take a bowl, add 1 liter water. Into the water, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons salt. Now 10 cloves of garlic, cut it in the middle the way I'm showing and throw it into the water. Take half lemon and squeeze it, the juice, into the water. Give a good stir and dip the chicken pieces into it. Once you're done, just keep this chicken in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the chicken is in the fridge, we're gonna be preparing our spicy. This is just a simple food color. It's a yellow food color that I mix with water. So this is a spice that you will need. I put in the screen. You can check the names. I'll drop also in the description box. Now take a bowl and mix all the spices that is in the plate. And guys, if you don't have this exactly spice that I'm using, you can use any spice that you have that you're using for your meat, so it won't be problem. It will still be tasty. So now I'm adding my half lemon into the spices. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, just plain water, and make a nice paste with it. Because we don't want too stiff, you have to add water until you are happy with the consistency. Okay, now that we're done mixing the spicy, set aside and bring the chicken. It has been 15 minutes already. So now we have to bring a clean towel and dry all the water that is in chicken pieces. So you have to pat dry one by one to make sure you remove all the water that is in chicken piece. Applying food color into the chicken pieces, it will give a beautiful looking and appetizing color when you finish cooking. So go ahead and apply all the chicken pieces that food color. Okay, now that I'm done applying the food color into the chicken piece, I'm gonna follow with my spice that I mixed earlier. Now focus on the cuts where we cut the chickens to make sure it penetrates nicely the spices into the chicken, so that when you eat you can feel the taste everywhere. So let's do that. Okay, now that I'm done applying the spices, it's time to cook. To cook, you need very low flame. I'm placing my pan. I know it's small for the chicken that I made, but it's okay. If you have bigger one, go with a bigger one. So now I just add a little bit oil. You don't need too much oil. A little bit oil, and place my chicken into the pan. Make sure the flame is low, like I said. Cover nicely. You don't have to open every time because we need to give the steam to the chicken. Now I'm just changing side. It has been 20 minutes. You have to leave it for 20 minutes. If it's a low flame, it won't burn. So I'm changing side now. It has been 20 minutes. I will cover and come back and check again after 20 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna check again. Now it's almost there. I'm gonna flip it around and see what's going on down there. Oh wow, this is light, it's light golden. It's really looking good. So I'm gonna just cover one more time and so the chicken is done. I'm gonna just remove from the pan because I don't want my chicken to burn. It's really soft from the inside, guys, and it's very crispy from outside. So look at that. After making it, after finishing frying all the chicken, this is how it looks, guys. Look how amazing is that. Look how amazing is that, guys. Did you enjoy the video? Please give thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and I will see you guys in the next video.